Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at using live server. So in this case we are going to use live server to run our HTML file. So in this case you must install your live server from the extensions live server there, live server there. So you must install it. It's a very easy way to run your HTML files. So when you have already installed, it's taking forever, so let's wait for it to install. So it's live server. It's a Visual Studio extension that is used to run HTML files, other than using your browser to run HTML files. So yeah, there. So we can go to our file, right click, then open with the live server. So the live server acts as a local server. It can run on certain ports such as 5000, 5500, yeah, depending on the ports that are available. Open with yeah. So in this case, I think you must restart your Visual Studio Code so that the option should be here. Yeah. So guys, when you have already restarted your Visual Studio Code, you will see an option here, open with the live server, and the file will open there. It will reopen itself. That's all guys for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.